cannot meaningfully participate in his own governance. Democracy is not simply the holding of elections. It is the continuous daily accountability of power to the people, and that accountability is impossible without a press that is free to ask uncomfortable questions and report unwelcome answers. Thomas Jefferson put the point starkly way back in 1787, writing that if he had to choose between a government without a newspaper and newspapers without a government, he would not hesitate a moment to prefer the latter. Our own founder took a similar view of the profession gathered in this room. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah is recorded as having told the journalist in the earliest days of this country that he expected them to be fearless. This is why when journalists are harassed, when cases are registered to intimidate rather than to prosecute, or when access to information is obstructed, the injury is not to the press alone. It is an injury to the constitutional order itself.